Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fold Audi A3 mirrors. First, let's talk about manual folding. If you need to quickly fold your mirrors, you can simply push the mirror housing firmly towards the car body. This is a straightforward method, perfect for navigating very tight spots or parking in a narrow garage. Just make sure it clicks securely into position when you fold or unfold it, ensuring it's properly set for your drive. Next, let's explore automatic folding using the interior switch. On your driver's side door panel, you'll find a circular mirror adjustment switch. To fold the mirrors, simply rotate this switch to the symbol that looks like a folded mirror. Once selected, both the driver's and passenger's side mirrors will smoothly fold inwards, providing extra clearance with minimal effort. Many Audi A3 models also offer the convenience of folding mirrors with your key fob. After you've locked your car, simply press and hold the lock button on your key fob for approximately 2 to 3 seconds. You'll notice the side mirrors automatically fold in as the car confirms it's securely locked. This is a fantastic feature for added peace of mind and protection in busy parking areas. Finally, let's cover unfolding and some helpful tips. To unfold your mirrors, you can either rotate the interior adjustment switch back to the heating or mirror adjustment position, or simply unlock your car. The mirrors will then return to their driving position. Remember, if your car has automatic folding mirrors, try to avoid manually forcing them, as this could potentially damage the internal mechanism. Always use the designated controls.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.